Every now and then, a Silicon Valley startup launches with such an ambitious mission that it's hard to tell if it's serious or just satire. Enter Mechanize, a new venture by AI researcher Tamay Besiroglu, whose launch drew immediate backlash, not just for its goal, but for its potential impact on his respected AI research nonprofit, Epoch. Mechanize aims for nothing less than full automation of all work and the entire economy. In other words, it wants to replace virtually every human job with AI agents. The startup plans to provide the data, testing environments, and tools needed to make that a reality. Besiroglu estimates the total market at $60 trillion annually, the sum of all wages worldwide. However, he clarified the company's immediate focus is on white-collar work, not manual labor. The response online was swift and often harsh. Critics argue the startup's mission could erode human livelihoods. Even a director at Epoch quipped, "Yay, just what I wanted for my birthday, a comms crisis." Some also worry that Mechanize undermines Epoch's credibility. The nonprofit was seen as a neutral body evaluating AI's economic impacts. But this isn't its first controversy. Last year, Epoch revealed OpenAI helped develop one of its benchmarks, raising questions about impartiality. On X, one user commented, "Sad to see this. Automation of human labor is a huge prize for companies and a huge loss for most people." Still, Besiroglu insists the vision will benefit humanity. He argues that fully automating labor could drive explosive economic growth and improve living standards. Even if jobs disappear, he says people could still thrive through dividends, rents, or welfare. Critics counter that without jobs, most people won't have the means to access that AI-generated abundance. Besiroglu maintains that humans will still be needed in complementary roles, and that wages may even rise for those roles. Despite the bold vision, the problem Mechanize is tackling is real. Current AI agents are unreliable, forgetful, and unable to follow long-term plans. Improving them could, in theory, supercharge productivity, especially if agents work alongside humans rather than replacing them. Big names back the startup, including Nat Friedman, Daniel Gross, Patrick Collison, Jeff Dean, and others. And despite the controversy, Besiroglu is charging ahead. Mechanize is hiring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI news. See you in the next one.